Heather from Heather Bco. I wanted to do an unboxing of the September Simply Gilded sub box. This one is called Fancy Fete. I'm not 100% sure what Fete means. I think it's like a celebration maybe. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm going to have to double check on that. But I did want to bring you the unboxing. I am a part of Simply Gilded's team, so I get mine a little bit early. Everything should start shipping out this week, but I do get mine early because I'm part of Irene's team. So this box is going to feature like this coppery rose gold. This is the front of the box. And it's got this nice, pretty dark teal color. And then on the back of the box is this kind of peachy pink with the rose gold stripe. And you have the wood grain down here, of course, juniper. And here's all of Simply Gilded's social media and her website. So I'm not going to show you the mystery item because I'm part of her team. I don't want to spoil it for anyone. I don't feel comfortable with that. I want to respect Irene, and I want to respect all of her customers that want to be surprised when they get their box. So you will not see the mystery item in this unboxing. Let me go ahead. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit, and I hear my dogs barking to come in the house. So I'm going to go let them in the house, and then I will be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go in the order of the menu card. Let me move the box off to the side. And I have most everything in here, so let me pull this away. Okay, so the first thing we have is the foiled journaling card. Let me grab it real quick. Okay, so this is the journaling card. It, of course, features the coppery rose gold. It's got this nice, pretty kind of sagey green background with the beautiful feather. There you go. So you can see the whole thing. Of course, Simply Gilded's logo at the bottom. The next thing, let's see. Let me move this just a little bit. Okay. The next thing is the washi tape. So this is all of the washi tape. I subscribe to the regular box with addition to the 5mm add-on. So let's go over the different washi tapes. So we have this 15mm, and I will show you everything swatched out too. This is like a light pink background with the same pattern from the box. We have the matching 15 and 10mm with the marble and the rose gold. We have, this is a 10mm. It's kind of like a brown with this geometric rose gold pattern. And then we have this teal with the feather foiled in the rose gold. And then we have this one that has the little dots. This one is perforated, so you could actually use this as headers going across with just the dots, or you could run it down vertically to where you could use it like a checklist. And this is the 5mm add-on. So you get the kind of chocolatey brown hearts and vines. You get this blushy pink with the bows and the little hearts. You get the 5mm to match the marble, and then you get this one that has like the dark teal with the copper stripes, lines across the whole entire washi. So this is the whole stack if you subscribe to the 5mm add-on. And then let me show you, I did swatch everything. Let me show you this swatch. Get my swatch book open. Okay, here we go. So this is everything swatched out, and I'll kind of try to give you some close-ups of how everything looks. So very pretty. You can see the rose gold really kind of pops off of, especially this one. I love this one. This one, and I think this one are my favorites from this box. But a really nice collection of washi. I know we have gotten marble before, but I don't think that we've gotten marble with this rose gold. So this is definitely a new addition to our collections. All right, so got the washi out of the way. The next thing on our list is, is the deluxe sticker kit and seals. So let me grab that. And I did unpack everything already. Oh, I did want to show you. So this is the little baggie, like the little Ziploc bag that the washi came in. It's got this gold, kind of coppery gold background with the little blue bows on it. I had my sticker stuck to it, so I'm going to have to remove that. But this is a great little bag just to keep, to store stuff in, or to pass on goodies to another planner friend or whatever. So I'll be hanging on to this bag and using this in the future for sure. Okay, so the sticker kit is next, and here are the two main sheets for the sticker kit. Let me straighten it up for you. There you go. Okay, so on this page you have the headers, you know, today, to do, things like that. You've got some full boxes, you've got some headers right here, you've got some deco, and of course the flags. And on this one you get 2 sets of date covers and full boxes, checklists, some bow icons, circle icons, and some more headers. So you get these 2 pages, and in addition you get this smaller page that has another full box, some half boxes, some checklists, and some more deco. So with a little bit of creativity, you can definitely make this a full spread. I have a couple of videos that I have used her kits, even one of the older kits that didn't come with this sheet and didn't come with enough boxes. I do have a video where I kind of used a deco and everything to kind of use as full boxes in the space of the extra full boxes or whatever. So this is the sticker kit that you get. And then you also get the seals, which are very pretty. And then you also get this. So this is the sheet of icons, and these are kiss cut in a heart shape. And you get lots of icons, lots of useful icons in this. I actually use these icons quite a bit when in my planning. And then the last thing you get are these date numbers. So these are also cut in hearts, and it looks like you get 1 month's worth, so 1 through 31, and then you also get some extra icons down here, and this little bow is actually even a sticker. So this is probably my favorite sheet of all the stickers. I am a huge marble fan. My logos and everything are marble, so I would love to actually get this sheet in all different foil colors. I think it would be a great sheet to have. So that's all for the stickers that come in the kit this month. The next thing is the B6 Traveler's Notebook cover. So we actually got a Traveler's Notebook this month, like a legit Traveler's Notebook planner. So this is it, and it features this kind of pinky peach color with the coppery rose gold. It's the same pattern that was on the back of the box. This is the back of it, and when you open it, it's got these elastics. If you are not familiar with Traveler's Notebooks, so you take the notebooks and you wrap them around the elastics. This has 4 strings, so you can put 4 inserts or notebooks in this, but if you have jump bands, you can add more to it. It's got a little small pocket here and the larger pocket here with the pin loop. It's also got this little D-ring at the bottom for you to hang like little charms or whatever. So this is a really nice addition to the box this month. It's very pretty, very classy. Okay, so next on the list is, oh, I keep moving the table, sorry, is the B6 stitched notebook. So this is the notebook that comes with the kit, and it's got the same pattern as on the front of the box, and on the back is this same striped pattern with the rose gold feather right here. The notebook is dot grid. And let me show you, if you're not familiar with how a traveler's notebook works. I would think most people are familiar, but we always have new people coming into the community. So you slip the notebook in like this, and then, you know, it's in there. So it's not gonna fall out. It's on the elastic, and then you just continue to do that with other notebooks. And then that would be your planner. So this would actually be great like for a bullet journaler or something like that, you know, that doesn't use like inserts, like ring inserts or whatever. Okay, and then the next thing is the pen, which, oh, this pen is so pretty. It's rose gold. It's all rose gold. It doesn't have anything printed on it. I mean, well, it does have the Simply Gilded, but a lot of times, like, it's got bows and stuff on the barrel of the pen. This one is nothing but rose gold goodness. Very pretty. It is a gel pen. They are pretty heavyweight. They actually write really, really well. I keep one of these in my purse, and yeah, so never have enough of these pens. They're really, really nice. Okay, next on the list is the bow. So this is the bow. This is the only thing I didn't take out of the packaging. But this is the little bow, and let me take it out real quick. Okay. So, of course, it features the rose gold hardware, and this is a velvet ribbon, and it's got this little crystal that hangs at the bottom. And if you've been around for very long, you know Irene loves little crystals and things like that. So, this clip is actually very large, and so it will clip on just about anything. You can clip it on a purse, a planner, a backpack, just about anything. So a lot of people are clipping them, like this would clip at the bottom on this little ring right here. So if you wanted to do a setup, you know, this would be your insert, and then you would have this pretty little bow charm hanging at the bottom. So that's how that would work. Okay, and the next, oops, sorry, I keep moving my table. I'm so sorry. Okay, next is the vellum and acetate. Okay, so you get one piece of vellum and you get one piece of acetate. Sorry if you hear that knocking. My dog's dog bed is right against the wall, like right next to where I'm filming. So he must be scratching or something. Okay, so this is the vellum, and it's kind of hard to see, but it does have the rose gold foiling there. Yeah, there you can see in this nice geometric pattern. I actually really like this foil. This vellum. So this is how it looks folded out. This is sized for the B6, so you could use it in this setup. And then this, of course, is the acetate. It's got the pattern, the same pattern as on the box, and then it's see-through where it's not foiled. So you could use these to go ahead and, you know, embellish your setup a little bit. So I probably wouldn't use this over this because it's the same pattern, but you just kind of slip the vellum the same way you did the notebook, and then you're gonna grab it. I'm having trouble grabbing it in here. My nails, there we go. So you would grab it and it will fit over this, like this, and you could put like a sticker or something on here, and then you have your vellum, and then you have your notebook. So it's just, it just adds a little bit of extra style to your setup. Okay, and okay, so that was the last thing on the sheet. So the last thing is actually the mystery item, which I won't be showing you. As I stated earlier in the video, I don't want to spoil it for anyone. So we've got the vellum, acetate, the notebook. Here's your bow charm. Here's all your washi. Let's see, here we go. Move this like this. We've got the pen. We've got stickers. Oh, sorry if you hear my dog barking. We've got more stickers here. And of course, we've got the journaling card. So we'll put this right here. Maybe, let's see, maybe right here. There we go. So yeah, so this was the September box. I'm really pleased with this box, how it all kind of ties in together. It's very, very pretty. I love the richness of the colors. I think it's a great box transitioning from summer into fall and some of the rich, deeper colors. So yeah, if you are interested in signing up for the box, you can go on her website, also join her Facebook pages. All the information will be there. I don't know if any of these boxes are left. I think it's sold out, but you can sign up and start receiving the next month. So she will be doing sneaks probably in the next week, maybe a little longer, week and a half. She'll be doing sneaks for the next box if you are interested in that. But I appreciate you watching, and I hope you love the box as much as I do. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.